Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be making body butter. We're going to be making the finest, fluffiest, most non-greasy body butter you have ever experienced. So let me introduce it to our ingredients. We're going to be using carrot butter because this is a body butter. We need a lot of butters, you know. So we're going to be using carrot butter, we're going to be using shea butter, and we're going to be using mango butter. I want this to be as buttery as possible. So for the oils now, we're going to be using vitamin E oil, we're going to be using lemon oil, we're going to be using almond oil. And because this is a whitening body butter, we're going to be using these two whitening serums. This is our skin free milk. If you know me, if you are not new to this channel, you know that skin free milk is always there. And it is our glutathione. You already know that glutathione is also a very, very good, safe and natural whitening ingredient. So basically, I've already wiped our surface area. I sterilized my beaker. I sterilized everything we're going to be using here, so you can rest assured that this whole thing is safe for use. So from my ingredients, I'm going to put my book. I've already written out my ingredients here, so I'm going to put it somewhere so that I can be seeing everything I'm doing very well. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to dispense our... Okay, so let me start from saying that I'm going to be making 500 grams of body butter today. 500 grams of body butter. So we're using 100 grams of shea butter. So we're using 100 grams of shea butter, 100 grams of carrot butter, so next we're going to be using 150 grams of mango butter. So in this jar we have shea butter, we have mango butter, and we have carrot butter, and we have mango butter. So I'm going to go ahead and melt these butters using the double boiler method. I don't want to put it in the microwave because I don't want to lose any, you know, I still want it to retain its original nature. I don't want it to ruin anything for me. So I'm going to use the double boiler method, and I will be right back. Guys, so this is all my oils, all my solid oils. They've all, you know, they're all melted now, but I'm going to transfer it into this bowl. This is a very clean bowl because it's not going to be easy to whip in this place. My oil is this color because of the carrot butter in it. So I'm going to be using 30 ml of lemon oil. You want to work pretty fast. This is 31 ml cup, so I need 30 ml, so I'm not going to fill it up. So yeah, I'm just going to assume this is 30 ml of lemon oil. 30 ml. At this point, I'm going to toss my oil into the fridge for like 1 hour for it to solidify. Then we come back and whip everything up. Hi guys, so this is what we have after about 2 hours. I left it for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour when I went to check it, there wasn't, you know, it had not solidified. So right now I want to add skin free milk. And I'm going to be adding this much. So at this point, I also want to add Arrowroot powder. arrowroot powder will help our shea butter to be less greasy. It will still be very moisturizing, it will still be buttery and fluffy, but it will just be less greasy. So we're going to be adding this much. So I'm going to first try and stir it together, so that, because I know if I try to whip it at this point, it might just, everything might just splash on my face. So yeah, let's whip. And then at this point, we are also going to add our glutathione. Guys, so this is how far we've come, and then I think I'm all right with the consistency we have. Look at, guys, look at, no, just look at it, butter. So we're just going to package it now. I'm going to show you guys the things I bought to package it. So guys, I chose not to add any preservative or any fragrance to this body butter because I want it to be as natural as possible. I want it to still have that shea butter fragrance. I want to be reminded that I'm actually using shea butter each time I use my body butter. So feel free to add any fragrance of your choice, feel free to add any preservative of your choice. And yeah, this body butter is not greasy, it is not too greasy, and it is not heavy on the skin at all. I really did something with this recipe. Do make sure you try it out. If you want to try it out, please tag me, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Instagram disabled my page, guys. Instagram disabled my page, so I have a new page now at Fola Jessie. I'm going to leave it on the screen and in the description box. Follow me, talk to me, ask me any questions, do business with me. If you want to send me any PR package, you know, hit me up on Instagram. I will also leave my email in the description box. That will be all for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you do find it helpful. And guys, trust me, this body butter is fire. It is fire. It is going to whiten, at the same time moisturize me, and I can assure you that it is not going to leave any reaction. Bye.